Welcome to this exclusive tour of a 5-bedroom show villa at the Oasis by Emaar. It might just be the most exclusive villa community Dubai has ever seen. Let me explain why the Oasis represents something we haven't seen before in Dubai's luxury villa market. The land spreads over 100 million square feet between Mohammed bin Zayed and Emirates Road. This is Emaar's most ambitious community project in years. The exclusivity factor. Here's what's remarkable. Just 3,100 units on 100 million square feet. Most developers would cram 40,000 units into land this size. Let's look at some perspective. The Dubai Hills estate has 1 unit per 3,500 square feet. Al Barari has 1 unit per 5,600 square feet. Emirates Hills has 1 unit per 20,000 square feet. The Oasis has 1 unit per 32,000 square feet. That's half the density of Emirates Hills, and Oasis is twice the size. Let's talk about infrastructure. The Oasis benefits from mature surrounding communities like Jumeirah Golf Estates, which is across the street. Tilal Al Ghaf is next door. Schools, hospitals, retail, all established. 4 major roads provide connectivity, so you're not waiting years for community development. And here's something truly special. The Oasis sits on natural elevations, over 10 meters of height difference across the land. What does this mean for you? It means elevated plots with panoramic views, natural water flow for authentic looking lagoons and water features, cascading gardens that work with the land, not against it. Each villa has its own unique positioning and vista, sunrise and sunset views from elevated positions. What is the offer? A 4-bedroom plus basement with 7,300 square feet built up on 9,000 square feet plot starting at 14.5 million dirhams. A 5-bedroom with basement with 10,350 square feet built up and 11,500 square feet plot starting at 19 million dirhams. A 6-bedroom plus basement at 12,850 square feet built up on 14,800 square feet plot starting at 25 million dirhams. This is the only project offering basements even in the 4-bedroom configuration. Let's do a price comparison. Currently, Oasis is selling at 1,900 dirhams per square feet. Dubai Hills at 3,750, Emirates Hills at 5,000, Jumeirah Golf Estates at 3,500, and Tilal Al Ghaf, which is literally across the street, is selling at 3,500 square feet. Even if prices at comparable communities correct from the current 3,650 by 30% to 2,500, Oasis is still going to be profitable by 35%. This is called downside protection. Let's talk about demand and supply. Out of 3,100 units, 1,600 have already been sold, 400 launching this week, so only about 1,000 units remaining after this launch. And about 60% of all the buyers are end users, which means they will not even enter the resale market. Expression of interest starts at 1.5 million for a 4-bed and 2.5 million for a 5 and 6-bed, which is fully refundable. At Golden Wave Properties, we are positioned to secure your unit of choice. The question isn't whether this will appreciate. The question is, will you be the one of the 3,100? DM Oasis for more details.